Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of no matches on the application of Tinder. In the first, we will go to settings here and you can click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Tinder and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache, and after that you will return to this page of app info. You will go to permissions, not here. You will go to permissions like this, and here in this page you can choose or you can select you can allow in all permissions that you have here. You will allow the permissions of contacts, location. As you see here, it's already allow notifications, photos and videos, everything. Here you will allow it like this. For example, we click on notifications, we click allow. We go to photos and videos, we click always allow all, and as you see here, everything you will allow it in this page. Then you will go to this window of Play Store. After that you will search about the application of Tinder, and here in this page, if you find updating this blue sign, you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. And then you will go to check here on Tinder. You will check if matches are showing to you like this. You will click here and then you will find matches like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.